In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can reuse your best project structure without rebuilding it from scratch. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This just gives us a simple starting point that works on any device. In the Google search bar, type Asana. If you already have Asana bookmarked, you can use that. But searching is a quick way to get to the right place if you're not sure of the URL. Next, click on the official Asana website in the search results. That will take you to Asana's homepage or the sign-in screen. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in to your account so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana home or a recent projects view, depending on your settings. Now, locate and open the project you want to duplicate. You can find it from your sidebar, your recent projects list, or by using the search bar at the top. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct project by glancing at the tasks and sections. Duplicating the right project ensures the structure, fields, and task layout you need will carry over to the new copy. With the project open, look toward the top of the screen near the project's name. You'll see a small arrow or drop-down next to the title. This is the Actions menu for the project. Click that arrow to open the menu. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're on the project itself, not inside a single task or a different dashboard view. In the Actions menu, choose Duplicate Project. Asana will open a dialog that lets you fine-tune what gets copied. This is your chance to keep the parts you need and skip what you don't. Typically, you can include sections, tasks, task descriptions, and custom fields. You may also see options to include assignees or due dates. Include them only if they make sense for your new project. If you keep due dates, consider shifting dates forward to maintain realistic timelines. Give the duplicate a clear name so your team can tell it apart from the original, and if available, select the destination team or workspace where it should live. When everything looks good, confirm the duplication. Asana will create the new project and populate it with your chosen settings. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a project in Asana. Quickly scan the new project to make sure the sections, tasks, and any fields are set the way you expect, and you're ready to start working.